Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you know, we have been working on our outside spaces and we have completed the front. Y'all saw this last time and I actually ended up adding some rocks and some mulch in there and it looks so much better. I love it a lot. But now we are moving on to the back and I have the best thing for y'all. Yes, for you guys. So if you remember, a few years ago we built a pergola ourselves and I had so many of you in the comments and actually emailing me asking me if we could come do it for you or exactly how we did it. And it was our first time building something that big, so of course we weren't comfortable doing it for anyone else, so we did not build anyone else's. However, today I have partnered with Sunjoy and they have sent me a brand new gazebo. So y'all, they sell all type of outdoor stuff. They sell pergolas, they sell gazebos, and they are DIY. Yes, DIY friendly. That's Antonio, y'all. DIY friendly, so y'all can put these together yourself. So let me tell y'all what happened with ours. So we just don't feel like we did it the best way. We didn't brace it up properly, and we didn't use some of the best wood because a lot of the wood ended up splitting. The pergola started to shift and all of that good stuff. So now the one that they sent me, it is made of cedar, which is much better than what we had, and it has a top on it, so it gives it some more stability. So I'm going to show you guys what we got and we're going to put it together, and then of course y'all know we're going to have to decorate the space and all of that. But I want y'all to stay tuned to the end of the video because I have a special code for you guys. If you purchase with my code, you will get a special discount. So here we go, y'all. Let's go build our new gazebo. Alright, you guys, we got the old one down and out the way. We had to demo it and take it all down and apart. We moved everything over that way, and now we have our space ready to go for our new gazebo. So we're going to put this thing together and then I will come back to give you guys more details. Y'all, we had to take a break. We really probably should have split this up into 2 days, but we did not. 2 days is probably what I would suggest for anyone else doing this. Like maybe the first day just do the bottom and then the second day do the roof. But yeah, we're kind of crazy. We did it all in 1 day, so we're tired. We just got finished taking us a popsicle break and now we're gonna get the roof on and we will be done. Alright guys, so it is a brand new day. We got the gazebo up yesterday and let me tell y'all, I am so thankful to Sunjoy for partnering with me for this video because y'all, if y'all's weather is anything like my weather here in Florida, it is hot. It is going to be a scorching summer, and we desperately needed something with shade, with cover. So I am so grateful. So now it is the best part. Y'all already know it's time to decorate this space. Let's go, let's do it. But remember to stay to the end, because I have a special code for all of you that want to go out and cop you some Sunjoy merch. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of this video. Okay, so as promised, here is some information and that special discount code. So I was sent the 11x13 cedar gazebo with a hard metal top. I absolutely love it. The reason why I say that this is great for you all is because it already comes pre-assembled. So you already have your cuts already made, you have all of the tools that you need to put it together, and that is just so much easier than trying to go out and cut pieces and do all that good stuff yourself. If you are in need for any outdoor furniture or decor, make sure to visit sunjoyshop.com and enter code NeesieDoesIT for a special discount at checkout. Again, the code is NeesieDoesIT for a special discount. I will make sure to link all of the information for this exact gazebo and the coupon code and a direct link to Sunjoy shops over in my description box, or down in my description box. So thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. I really appreciate it. If you guys liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you like all things home decor and DIY, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the upcoming projects that I have. So I appreciate you guys. I am going now to enjoy my covered patio, and I will see you guys on the next one.